Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all my current nighttime summer skincare routine. And when I say current, means whatever the products I will be showing in the video, I use only those products customized according to my skin needs in my nighttime skincare routine for the humid summers of Kolkata. So yeah, let's quickly dive into the video. And if you're new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. So thank you so much for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started. Before starting with the routine, I would like to tell you all that I have a skin that is really very dry. That is as dry as dust or as dry as desert. But my skin does change according to the season and according to the place I am staying. Okay, basically I am staying at Calcutta and the humidity levels is at all-time high. I mean, it's well known that the Calcutta summers are humid like anything. Had I been in some dry place like Raipur or Ranchi, then I would have definitely have a different kind of a skincare routine. But as of now, it becomes really difficult to slather my face with lots of moisturizers and lots of humectants and occlusives and all those based off, and also facial oils. It becomes really difficult, and as such my skin doesn't get dry right now because of this humidity factor. I just keep in mind that my skin just remains hydrated. If the hydration level is adequate, my skin just remains plump and moisturized and whatsoever. It doesn't feel that dry and itchy or flaky or anything like that. So whatever the products I'm using currently are according to what my skin needs, and sometimes I do a little extra if my skin feels a bit dry, if the weather that particular day becomes a bit drier, if the humidity lessens a bit, then I do have some extra needs for my skin. Okay, now I'm starting. First comes to cleansing my face. Now, if I put on makeup, then definitely I go for double or triple cleansing because it actually becomes a bit difficult to remove the mascara from my eyes. Although I have a lip and eye makeup remover, but I do not know why am I not using them. Any which way. So what I do usually is that on shoot days when I'm actually wearing a full coverage heavy makeup, I either use a cleansing oil or a cleansing balm. But currently, right now, okay, I'm using this Plum E-Luminence cleansing balm. And on days when I go to the hospital, I do wear some amount of makeup, but it's not that heavy. And also if I wear the sunscreen in the daytime, then also I do double cleansing. On those days, I use this Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Lotion. See how much I finished it. I'm just left with this much. This would again be going into my empties. One thing I do not like about it, that it's really not that good for very heavy makeup. It doesn't remove eye makeup properly, but it's good if you're wearing really light makeup, and it's good if you're wearing just sunscreen, because sunscreen does need double cleansing. Okay. Next comes to the face wash. Now for the face wash, I have two options. I either use this Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Face Wash, or I use this Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Face Wash. The thing is that if I'm not wearing very heavy makeup, I just avoid wearing too much of surfactant containing face washes. I just do not know why. I prefer this gel based kind of face wash. So on the days when I go to the hospital or when I'm wearing sunscreen or anything like that, those days this face wash actually suffices. But when I'm wearing heavy makeup like today, I would be using this particular face wash because I really want a good lather to clean up everything from my face. Now, when it comes to triple cleansing, I really do not do triple cleansing always, and I really do not recommend it as such. But if there are some eye makeup residues that are remaining on the nooks and corners of my eyes, for those situations of that kind of scenario, I use a micellar water. And this is the micellar water that I prefer. It's a simple micellar cleansing water. This is my second micellar water. I also use it in the mornings I do not use face wash in my in the morning skincare routine. I just clean my face with micellar water and that's it, and splash on some water because I do need to remove the sulfate content in this micellar water. I think it has sulfate. I'm really not very sure, but whatever the chemical content in the micellar water, I just want to remove them. So I just wash my face. Wash my face with water. Okay, so I was talking about the residual eye makeup, that if it is present, then I do use this micellar water. I take a Q-tip or I take a cotton pad and just fold it a bit and just very gently I remove the residual eye makeup. Okay, so the cleansing is done. Now comes the toner. For toner, I have two options. This one is not a toner per se, it's a facial mist, or although it's written toning mist for dry to normal skin. So this is the Juicy Chemistry 100% organic lavender water. I feel that if my skin doesn't need any particular treatment on that particular day, I really do not think so that I need a toner necessarily. Actually, it's summer. I try to keep my skincare to the minimal possible because, as I told, because of the humidity and all, it becomes really difficult to slather on too many products on the skin. And this facial mist also gives a very nice, refreshing feeling. Also, the fragrance. Yeah, I'm talking about fragrance. The fragrance of lavender is just so soothing. It calms the mind. It has that nice. Good, what to say, calming and soothing effect also on the mind. So I use it. I have also started using this natural wash steam distilled rose water, but it hasn't been long since I've used it. I think you guys can see I finished only this much. So whether I use it continuously or not, I would be sure. I would be sure within a week or so. So I have not included it in my current skincare routine. Okay, so I was talking about toners. The other toner that I use is this Dermafic skin toner. Okay, so basically the thing is that I was actually using the Just Herbs Mandarin Pomegranate toner and I finished it off, and so I have these two toners. This contains glycolic acid, and on days when I feel that I won't be applying my hyaluronic acid serum, only those days I apply this toner because I think so hyaluronic acid shouldn't be applied along with glycolic acid, and that's why I avoid using it. I'm really not very sure, but I think I read somewhere or I saw some videos, so I avoid it. Otherwise, it just depends. The use of toners is customized according to my skin needs on that particular day. Sorry, night. Okay. Now comes serum. So I have three serums. One is the hyaluronic acid serum. This is the Vya Naturals Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have almost finished it. Only this much is left. I do not know whether you guys will be able to see it, if the camera can catch that much of details, but yeah, this much is left. Next I have the Dr. Sheth Cica and Ceramide serum. This is a repair serum, and if I feel some texture on my face, if I feel something like really, I do not really feel my skin is dry nowadays, but if I do feel a bit problematic, there's some problem on the skin, then definitely I use this because it has Cica Centinella. And the other serum that I use is this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. So everything is customized according to what my skin needs on that particular night, but I use only these three serums because once hyaluronic acid is a humectant and it absorbs a lot of water, it makes the skin really plump. This is for some repair purposes if I think my skin needs some kind of treatment then. And this also has hyaluronic acid serum. If I feel that I need extra moisturization on my skin, then I use it. Just three serums. I am not using my niacinamide currently. If I use it, I use it in the daytime. Yeah, I use it in the daytime. I will be making a separate video for my daytime skincare routine. Now comes the eye cream. Now there are various school of thoughts regarding the need for eye cream. I am personally a fan of eye creams. I love eye creams. I have been using the Innisfree JG Orchid eye cream, and I have actually seen a difference around my eyes. Actually seen a difference around my eyes. Um, but it's just that it's too thick, and yeah, just very thick, and I do not think so it's really very suitable for this humid summers. I'm not talking about the dry summers. The humidity is it's just getting into my nerves nowadays. So I'm using a gel based eye cream. I'm using the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. I do have 2 tubs of it, so and I really require a very little bit of it because just a small size of amount is needed and it spreads so easily. So I have been using it, but personally I prefer my Innisfree eye cream more over this one, but this one was also really good. Okay, and lastly, moisturizers. As I told you earlier that it becomes very difficult to slather on a very thick, occlusive containing moisturizer. So I prefer something that is really very light on the skin, gets absorbed really easily, and at the same time it provides a lot of hydration and moisturization to the skin. And my current favorites nowadays are this Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and the other is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Both the creams are just so good. I wonder why I did not procure it previously. I mean, I should have been using it since years. Just so good, you guys. Also, both these creams are fragrance free, so that gives it additional points. Um, this is a bit thicker than this one, so I use it at night, and this one I use it in the day, but I also use it in the night when the again, I said it all depends on what kind of weather and how my skin is behaving that particular night. But as of now, I use only these 2 moisturizers for summertime. And for the lip balm, not to forget it, I use the Wadi Herbal Lip Balm, my current favorite, my all-time favorite. There are other lip balms like the Licensed Hot Chocolate, the Nivea lip balm, there are many other lip balms, but in summers they can feel really heavy on the lips, actually heavy. And my lips are something that they get chapped even in this humid summers of Calcutta. Like they can get chapped like anything. So my personal favorite is the Wadi Herbals lip balm. I do not have it right now. Somewhere I must have kept it somewhere. I would be attaching a picture here. Thing is that it doesn't feel that thick or heavy on the lips. And what I do usually is that after keeping on my lip balm for some time, I just remove it because I just can't. It's become so difficult to keep anything on my face that feels heavy. The only lip balm that doesn't feel that heavy is the Wadi Herbals one. So yeah, I use it. So yeah, this was it for my current nighttime summer skincare routine. I really hope this video was helpful and enjoyable for you all. And if you enjoyed it, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye-bye. I love you all.